So once you add this, click on AI Skills Explorer, the email address, the phone number, LinkedIn, with a summary over here, experience are added over here, education, skills, right? Welcome back to the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge, day 127. Let's be honest, landing a pretty decent job these days is pretty hard. While I do not believe too much in resumes, but there are still a lot of companies which believe in resume and ask you to prepare a resume. Well, that's the first thing that they can see and understand about you. For me, it's more about portfolio. But well, today's topic is all about resume building using AI. These days, there are so many factors to consider. The right degree, the right skills, and the right keywords. Even if you are qualified, your resume still needs to beat the bots. Yeah, we are talking about the ATS systems, which will scan your resume even before any humans sees it. But how do you stand out amongst those stacks of resumes? That's where Rezi AI comes in. It's an AI-powered resume builder designed to help you create ATS-friendly, job-optimized resumes with zero guesswork. And the best part, you don't need to be an resume builder expert. In today's video, we will explore how do we build a perfect resume that may land you your next big opportunity. Let's get started. So go to Rezi.ai and create your account. And once you've created your account, you can click on create new resume and it'll ask you what is the name of the resume that you want to create. Let's say, right, so is it for internship level, entry level, associate level? What is the level of experience that you're looking when you're building this particular resume, right? So let's say associate, okay? Target your resume. So you can see here, a targeted resume is a resume tailored to a specific job opening. You have a significantly higher chance of getting an interview when you make it clear you have the experience required for the job. So I would suggest you please enable this, okay? And give the job title, company name, and job description, and so on and so forth. For this video, we're going to create a very simple resume. I'm going to click on save. It'll ask you for the details like contact information, full name, email address, likewise the phone number, and you can give your personal website or relevant link here. You can add the LinkedIn link over here, and we can add the country here, add the state, and you also have the option to show this in your resume or disable it. I'll put the city and click on save basic info. So once you do that, you can go to experience and add your experiences here. Okay, you can see the experience being added over here. So let's say frame for which company, electric, when to when. I don't remember the exact date, but maybe 2011. You see here, is this correct? Confirm the better AI result. So it confirms what is the company, right? So I'll click on this one, and so it gives the details of what this particular company does, and then I can choose was this in 2011. I don't remember the month, so I'll put January 2011 to January 2012. Where was Kirloskar Electric located? In Hubli, Karnataka. Okay, and what did you do at Kirloskar Electric? Okay, I can either write or I can use generate bullets. So it will give the details basis what the company does. You can fine tune it if you want. I'll leave it as is for now. Save to experience list. So you can see that it has got added over here. I can click on plus to add the second one. So Bosch got to, and this was for Robert Bosch, and so was from Robert Bosch. It's not this particular one. Okay, I was working in the Indian this thing, but let me select that, and I'll go and choose 2012, maybe April to 2015 December. Where was it located? Bangalore. I was responsible for tracking systems for Japanese OEMs. Click on save experience list, and if you want, you can add more of it. Now we'll go to education and we'll add the education here. What is your degree or other qualification and major? So EEE, I put electrical and electronics engineering. Where did you earn your electrical and electronics engineering? From VTU. Okay, where is VTU located? Belgium. When did you earn this particular degree? And that was in 2009. When did you minor in anything? I'll not put anything. It was not GPA back then, but let me put 8.6. Open field for additional information. I'll leave it as is. Save to educational list. If you want, you can add more details. Go to skills, and then you can enter your skills, right? So for example, I had C, C++, and so on and so forth. So once you add this, click on AI Skills Explorer. It'll ask you for certain things like hard skills, soft skills, technical skills, languages, and so on and so forth. I'll put software. What did you do? Okay, so I can say C, C++, right? Once you add those things, so type in whatever you have done. Okay, basis what you have typed, it will also give the relevant other skills, and then you can choose like programming, you have done JavaScript, right? Whatever is relevant, okay? And click on save. So those details will be added over here. Click on save to skills list, and then come to summary. And if you want to write your own summary, you can do that, or you can come over here and highlight one of your experiences and the skills highlight. So breaking system EVA, okay, and then click on AI writer ready. So it will take a few seconds and your summary will be added over here. You can see that it is writing it for you. So once you see this, if you feel that it is good enough, click on save summary info, and that will get saved. So from here you have addition of projects, certifications, coursework, and all of that. If you want to add them, you can add it. If you feel everything is good enough, then go to finish up and preview, right? If you continue without saving, you will lose your changes. Are you sure you want to continue? So click on cancel, click on save summary info, and then click on finish up and preview. So you see that the details have come here: my name, the location, the email address, the phone number, LinkedIn, with the summary over here, experiences are added over here, education, skills, right? Whatever you add will be shown over here. Okay, now you can also click on auto adjust, okay, which will adjust the resume basis, the space, and all of that. You can also see the score from Rezi AI of how well your resume is structured. You can click on explore my Rezi score, and it will mention why Rezi thinks that you have got a particular score, right? Content is 60, format is 65, optimization is 0, which is bad, best practices is 68, application ready is 65, and so on and so forth, right? So we'll have to add a few more details and the score will automatically improve. You can also do some adjustments here. You can change the font, you can change the size, the line spacing, and all of this, right? You can also use some templates. So Rezi standard format is here, which is what is being used right now. And you can see Rezi compact format. If you have a lot of information in the resume, then you can use compact format. If you want Rezi modern template, then you can use this one, right? Hardword format. So if you click on this, then of course it's a paid feature, right? So if you think that it's worth it, you can go ahead and use that, and you can download it as PDF or save it to Drive. So when I click on download PDF, our resume is ready. And there you go. Of course, I've not added all the details. I just want to show you how this works. Most recruiters spend just 6 to 7 seconds scanning your resume. Yep, that's all the time you have got to make the first impression. That's why using a tool like Rezi AI will make a lot of difference. Today, we have built a clean, professional, ATS-friendly resume without the stress, without the guesswork. Whether you are applying for your first job, switching careers, or just updating your resume, Rezi AI can help you get that sorted. So share this with somebody who is looking to build their resume. Next time if somebody asks you, how do I build my resume? Just share this video with them and ask them to build it themselves. Alright, that's all from me for today, and I will see you in the next one.